Hi everyone, today I'm so excited to introduce to you the automatic hair curler. I took out the items from the box already. Here is the automatic hair curler. It comes with 2 clips as well and 1 comb, and it helps you the pointy end to separate the hair. It's very convenient. So the features of this hair automatic curler is you can switch it on from this button, but before you need to plug in the plug, and you can choose the temperature. I'll put it on high. These 2 are the rotating buttons, and you can use them to either rotate the iron either right or left. I personally like to curl the left side to the left, so it gives you this away from your face curls. It just gives it more fuller look. Also, when you press on the rotating button, you need to keep pressing until it stops, and then it will give you 3 times of beeps. The first 1 beep, that indicates it passed 8 seconds. The second, it gives you 2 beeps, and that indicates that it's 12 seconds. And then the third beep is 3 times of beeps, and it will give you it indicates that it's 16 seconds. I personally like to set it on high, the 430 Fahrenheit, and use the 16 seconds. So before we start, I always use the anti-heating cream. It helps protect my hair from heat damage. So I kind of put 1 drop on my hand and spread it all over my hair to protect my hair, especially if you frequently brush your hair, use the hair dryer or the heating items. You need to use the protecting heating cream. It helps a lot. It's a game changer. I also use extra clips from the clips that I have, but my hair is too big. It's too thick, and I'm gonna show you that this heating iron, the curling iron, really saves you a lot of time. I can do my whole hair in like 15 minutes. So first, I'm gonna divide my hair into 2 sections like this. I'll put them together. You need to make sure that your hair is completely dry before you start curling. I like to start from the back side. Actually, it's just easier because each finished hair, I just throw it to the back, and you need to take not too big of a hair because the reason it gets tangled, and tangled does not mean it will pull out your hair. No, it just like stops rotating. So let's try the heating iron. So you need to place the hair on this little corner and then take it to the front and curl it to the left. So because it's my left side, I'm gonna be curling it to the left, and I'm gonna use the top button, and then so you need to keep pressing on the curling button until it stops by itself, and then you keep pressing until you hear the 3 times beep, which means it's 16 seconds. I sometimes use the small mirror to help me see. So this is the second beep, and this is the third beep, indicating 16 seconds. And then you pull the hair out, and here's your curl. Let's take the other one. Let's try your hair. It's rotating. Look at it.
It's a little curl.
It is a little curl. And I'm gonna use like a lower heat for your hair.
That's okay.
And we can. Nice. It's super safe even for using on your girls because it doesn't burn. There's no heat in here. It doesn't burn, like you can see.
So heat is here?
But you should not put your finger inside. Like inside is gonna burn. Yeah. Look at this hair curl.
Oh
So
my.
here I grab the other hair and let's do it. As long as you don't take a big amount of hair, you should be fine. The hair will not tangle. So you keep pressing until it stops, and then you remove your hand. And you will hear it beeping in 8 seconds. This is the first beep. This is 12 seconds. And this is 16 seconds, and you let go. Let's do the hair real fast. Super easy. It's super easy. Especially for long hair. Oh my god, it saves a lot of time. This is the first beep. Second beep. And third beep. So you see, it's so much easier to do from back to front. Here I took a little big hair amount, so I'm gonna divide it. It doesn't work, it just gets tangled, it doesn't pull your hair. So here we go again. It also comes with a manual and explains to you how to use it. So it did 3 beeps. So right now I'm gonna start doing the other side, and I'm gonna use the right button, rotating button, because I like it to be going away from my face. So let's do it. So you need to hold the iron vertically like this. Then you lay this on your head, and then you put the hair, and then you press on the rotating button in 90 degrees. You need to pull downwards the hair strand out from here, and then when you press the rotating button, it will just sucks it in and rotate it in very easily. And once it does 3 beeps, you just pull out and it releases the hair strand. I'm gonna try to use the comb to get a small hair piece, and then I'll put the hair away here like that. So you need to hold it vertically and pull the hair strand down like this, and then press on the rotating button. Do not take a very large or big hair strand, otherwise it will tangle your hair. It's not gonna like pull it out or do anything bad, but it's gonna tangle, and then you need to pull out and take a smaller strand and do the ironing all over again. Here in the manual it says, it gives you how to place your hair and how much of a hair you need to take. It also shows you what temperature you need for your hair. I have a fine hair, but I like to use the highest temperature and the highest seconds. I like to use the 420 because it's faster, and then I use 16 seconds. I keep it for 16 seconds. So we're almost at the end. This automatic hair curler has a smart power cut. After 45 minutes, it will just turn off, switch off by itself automatically. And this is really good for safety, just in case, like if you forgot your iron and you forgot to turn it off, it will switch off by itself. You can use it on 100 and 230 voltages, so it can work all over the world. I'm almost done. Oof. It tangled because I took a really big hair strand. You need to divide it and take a smaller one. I'm almost done. One, 2 beeps, that's 12 seconds, and 3 beeps, that's 16 seconds, and let go. If you keep your finger pressing on the button, it will not beep. So once it stops rotating, you need to remove your finger off of the rotating button. This is 2 beeps and 3 beeps. So to switch off the device, you need to long press for 3 seconds, and you can hear the beep that it's switched off. After it cools down, bring a dry towel and wipe it to kind of remove the grease that got stuck on it from your hair. So here's the final look. I put again the cream, the hair cream, the protecting cream. I can use it also to brush my hair. So I put a little bit like this, and then I kind of bring the strands down like this, Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked my automatic hair curler.
Subscribe to another channel.